Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. I'm here with Madison.
Hi.
And we're here at SeaWorld Orlando for, you guys can see it behind us, Pipeline, the surf coaster. Today's media day, all the media outlets are here, so we're waiting for our turn to ride. We got about, I think, half an hour or so to ride. So we're just gonna kind of hang out, look at the coaster, get some video. Madison, have you ever been on a stand-up coaster?
Not.
You haven't been on a stand-up coaster? Okay, so this, SeaWorld refuses to call this a stand-up coaster because they're calling it the surf coaster. So I'm curious to see how it is, so it'll be cool to see your thoughts on it once we ride. But yeah, let's get going. I will show you guys around, so show you some of the highlights of the ride. So let's go check out the ride. All right, that was quick. It is our time to ride. Really quick note here. Guests cannot exceed 78 inches to ride. And of course, like all traditional B&M coasters, the minimum height requirement is 54 inches for Pipeline. And the max is 78 inches, which is, I'm terrible at math. 78 inches, that's gotta be, well, I'm 6'1", so that's gotta be like 6'3", 6'4", somewhere around there. I'm terrible with math. So anyways, the queue goes right under the launch, which is kind of cool. And here's the extended queue over here, the weaving back and forth section. There are umbrellas, thank God. We need umbrellas here in Florida. Here's a look at the launch and the wave curl elements down there. We are gonna head up here and get ready to ride. I'm excited. You excited, Madison?
Very excited.
Cool, good stuff. I'd be worried if you weren't. I'll actually show you guys the station. Here's the station, open air station. Come up the stairs here. Watch where I'm walking so I don't trip. And here's a look at the Pipeline station. Simple station. Got a cool little mural over here. Each row is numbered. All the way down to row 12. What does it say? High surf advisory on the cool little mural up here. So, all right, we're gonna get ready to ride. So let's go. Surf's up. Time for Pipeline, the surf coaster here at SeaWorld. Apparently we launched pretty quick, so I'm gonna be quiet and we're gonna enjoy the ride. And here we go. Airtime moments. Wow. Wow.
I was expecting the last one.
Yeah, that last one on that little S curve right there. That was surprising.
God.
Okay, so you can't stiffen out your knees. You have to just let yourself. Yeah. You can't stiffen out your knees. You kind of gotta let yourself just go with the. You gotta surf. Yeah. All right. So we just got off Pipeline, the surf coaster. Madison, I'll let you go first. What did you think?
Oh my, it was not what I was expecting at all. I don't know what I was expecting, like, because I've never done a stand-up coaster, so like.
Yeah, let's note you've never done a stand-up coaster.
It's weird because it's like, the floor is just there, and I feel like I'm used to like half the time the floor disappearing and like you just having your legs free.
Yeah.
And so I thought like, okay, well I'm gonna be like standing the whole time, and then all of a sudden it's like, it's all this airtime and my feet were not just standing there the whole time. Like it was fully flying.
Yeah, that's the thing is, there's a lot of airtime pops on this ride that you're not expecting at all. And here it comes. Watch it. Here it comes. didn't want to talk over it. So, but no, there's some really interesting airtime moments on it throughout the ride. And you can't ride, I have been on a traditional stand-up coaster, and I'm so used to riding those very stiff-legged and where your legs are pretty much locked in. And I did that on the launch and the wave curl turnaround or whatever it is. And I immediately stopped doing that, and I just let my legs kind of give out, and it provided a much better experience. You literally have, what the ride's called, you have to surf. You kind of got to let your legs just become butter and just kind of go with the flow. It was a lot of fun. The launch was fun. I really liked it. So I think we're going to try and maybe get a few more rides in just to ride. That ride was for the filming and everything. But yeah, 2 thumbs up. Good job, SeaWorld. We liked it. We're going to take a quick look at some of the Pipeline merchandise. This is a look at the, looks like the past member t-shirt for Pipeline. It's kind of like a denim blue color. We have a hat down here. This looks like the past member hat as well. It says Pipeline, the surf coaster at SeaWorld. Got a tank top down here. This looks like one of those, what are these called? Like the dry, yeah, that you can wear in the pool. It's got like these on the arm. It's got stingrays, sharks, fish, and it's got the Pipeline logo on it. Up here we have a Pipeline tumbler, not a Turvis or anything, just a basic tumbler. Got a Pipeline shot glass. Got this limited edition artwork, which is pretty cool. Comes with a coin. It says opening 2023. This is I think the same coin, just in its own kind of little, it's got the stats of the coaster on the back. The coin. Come down here, got another t-shirt. This is kind of a tan color. This is kind of another baseball hat. Got kind of a yellowish orange t-shirt down here. And I think that's it for the Pipeline merchandise. This is all just kind of, I think there was a magnet over here, which I'll show you guys in a second. And here is a chrome sticker Pipeline surf coaster logo. This is pretty cool. It's a surfboard pen with the Pipeline logo. It's $10. That's pretty cool. And then we have a magnet down here, Pipeline magnet, which is pretty cool. And then we have the tumbler down there again. So there's at least the Pipeline merchandise they have out now. We'll see if they come out with some opening day merchandise or anything else. And as far as the rest of the surrounding area for Pipeline, the surf coaster, they do have 2 walls of lockers over here. So here's a look at the lockers. And that's about it, really. They have a couple freestyle machines over here for guests to enjoy. Fill up your freestyle cup. And that's about it. Got the gift shop. And yeah, that's about it as far as the surrounding area. What's great about this ride is it's really, really photogenic. I mean, the walkway literally goes underneath the entire coaster. So there are some great opportunities to get some really awesome video and photos of this ride. It looks like, I don't think they're quite done with the walkway down there yet, but it looks like the walkway will go down there towards the stadium. But yeah, really fantastic coaster to get all sorts of, this walkway goes up here. So yeah, really photogenic coaster if you want to get some really cool video and photos of the ride. So one more thing before we head out here, I wanted to show you guys this really cool SeaWorld. It almost looks like a postcard. It says greetings from SeaWorld, and this is actually the train storage garage where they store the trains for Pipeline. Instead of keeping it just a plain old boring building, they actually painted this really cool SeaWorld mural on it. And each letter has a painting inside. It looks like Mako. You see the lighthouse, some dolphins, manatees, SeaWorld, belugas, penguins, and it looks like icebreaker there on the end. So wanted to point that out really quick. Cool little mural.